Good morning. Listen carefully. We have we learned a poem last period. Poem number 2.1. You start dying slowly. So on this part of the poem, there is an extract. Now I will tell you about it. So listen carefully. Extract number 2. So question, read the extract and complete the activities. There are 3 questions, you know that. 1. A1, simple factual activity. Say whether the following piece of advice by the poet are right or wrong. Pieces of advice. So listen carefully and tell the answer. First, avoid strong feelings and their unsteady emotions. Second, when you are not satisfied, even then, don't change your life. Third, go after your dream. Fourth, show the courage to risk something. Now, extract number 2, page number 42. If you avoid to feel passion, dash to run away from the sensible advice up to it. Now, question second, A2, complex factual activities. First, what is that makes life worth living? Give any 4 points, or what does the poet advise you in this extract to make your life worth living? So, one question is or two. First, meaning is the answer is the same and solve it. Right question or. Now second point, complete the following lines with the help of the extract. First line, first sentence, fashions and their emotions shine, dash. Second, if you are not satisfied with your job or love, dash. So complete the line here. Now A3, activities based on poetic devices. First point, pick out adjectives from extract and write them with the nouns they describe. Then second point, complete the wave diagrams with the words that go with the given adjectives. First, equivalent example is given, storm, severe. Second, glistening, point is given, eyes. And third one is sensible, example, advice. So complete the wave and write into your notebook. So read the extract carefully and solve all the questions based on it into your notebook as well as in your workbook also. And so read by heartily again and again, and we learn remaining part of the poem next period. So we stop here.